Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can verify your Wise business account. So this is really useful if you want to verify your account because it is essential to unlock full features and higher transfer limits. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your Wise business dashboard, and once you've logged in, you will basically look for your profile feature here. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on your layout. So once you see your profile, you will just have to click that, and then you will go over to the verification section, and then you will just have to submit your business documents, and of course you will have to upload your proof of registration, incorporation, and then you will add your identity documents for admins like your passport, driver's license, or whatsoever. And then of course you should also provide your additional info such as your business address, tax ID, and ownership details. And you should ensure that all your info matches the documents. And for the confirmation, Wise will review your submission, and it would usually take about 24 to 48 hours. And then after that, you will receive confirmation via email or dashboard. And that's how you can verify your Wise business account. Now you can access your all the features and higher limits safely. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.